Welcome to the I don't know how many game this is already of the Overrush Custom Scrims. And looks like we are gonna do one more due to the overwhelming audience response right here by the community. And since this is the last one, I really can't handle another one anymore. I'll try to give everything I got, and the moment I stop talking, it's probably I'm asleep. On the defense first, we have Isha on the Diva, Hana on the Pharah, Strong Moon on the Moira, Chris Kino on the Orisa, Yumi on the Soldier 76, and Redemancy is on the Mercy. On the other hand, Chris is on the Ana, on the processor. What? Potato. I don't know na. Chris is on the Ana, Dodge is on the Zenyatta. One. Okay, Rain is on the McCree, Diggs on the Orisa, and Jikama is on the Torbjorn right now. Ugh, no please. Ishan right now trying to do Sense Matrix on the side, but Calamitous right now trying to hammer down a few damage outlooks coming in from the Widowmaker. Jikama trying to build the Torbjorn turret, however. And ooh, Trooper leaving the game. I don't think Trooper got to play this whole time. Sorry about that, Trooper. And in the meantime though, Jikama right now is building the turret. Gets no one so far. The Torbjorn turret is on the way. DC comes. And what? Oh my god. What is happening right now? Calamitous right now going in for the kill is actually in the front line, being hammered by the Pharmacy and Hana with the kill onto the Widowmaker. What was that? What did I unpause to? What was that? What? I'm so confused. Chris is even okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like the red team right now is just kicking the Soldier 76 to death and just chilling right here. Kill please. Soldier. Alam mo ang nangyayari dito sa likod. Nothing is happening right now. Just a slaughter fest right there. So sad to see the Soldier and the Mercy just dead like this. Yan, dead sila. Labo. I don't understand what's going on, guys. What's going on? This scrim is a shit show.
My ultimate is charging.
Scrim is a mess, guys.
The power of destruction.
I know, right? Well, we're in Blizzard world. This map is a mess.
My will made real.
How many players can actually play on a single one? So, watch.
The payload has reached the checkpoint. Surrender to my will. Hi! I'm just so speechless about this stream today. Sobrang question mark nung nangyari. Nasa Mines, gonna run a cinematic short. Maybe I'll highlight that. But I'll lose the VOD.
Barrier up.
I'll make Reinhardt
My ultimate is almost ready.
dead wood. You know. Welcome to Sino. Welcome Sinos to the shit show that is Overrush PH Discord. Stream lobby stuff. So in the meantime, so what is happening in this game? Jikama is still playing the Jikama. You guys are very interesting. Civil War. So much things are going on right now. So much damage actually coming out the way of blue team right now. Oh, Chris Aquino does fall, so blue team in the defense is trying to hold on to the crown, reaching the throne right here of the Skeleton King. And hello, blah, 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 blah. Dude, I'm so tired right now. These guys have been making me cast for the past 3 hours. Easy. It's not easy at all. I'm so fucking tired. In the meantime though, Jikama right now with the Molten Hammer, Molten Core, Molten Hammer, hammering around. Will he get the kill onto anyone armor there to heal him up? No, it shuts this down. Very well played. Xenos does fall to Calamitous, however. And now Prince Aquino just staying here, trying to wait for an opportunity to go to Calamitous. And welcome to Overrush, home of the best throwers. I agree, Matt Javelin. I completely agree.
My ultimate is charging.
What the hell? Haha, super good. Like, I started streaming at 3. Then I stopped 6:30. Then I started streaming at 7 again. And now it's almost 10 and I'm just so tired. I'm so done after this.
Thanks.
Ano to? Scrim? Nah. Minimum 200 USD. Donation for Daks. God, I wish. I wish if I get 200 USD, I wouldn't know what to do with it. I'll probably like retire. I'll go to the countryside, retire. In the meantime though, Hannah does get the kill onto Calamitous right there. So the Fire actually getting the kill on the Widow this time. Rocket Barrage is available. Jikama right now still on the Bunsot. The Thorburn still stays alive. And Jikama now is heavily being punished by the blue team, but Jikama still gets the kill onto Hana. Thanks for showing up on the stream, Magic Man. I'm glad to see you guys back online, as we do have the most amazing scrim of the day, of the year, of the century, of Miraculum, of Overrush PH right now. This is literally the most retarded scrim I've ever been part of, as the sound barrier is there after everyone's already dead. Hannah already got into 2. Rocket Barrage, especially on the turret right there. Crit's trying to get a sleep guard on the Cenas. Yes, he does. And the teabag is there. Cenas now just trying to zoop around. Ooh, you melt my core, said Narbaral. Calamitous now gets the flashbang onto Cenas, and looks like this is gonna be the end of the defense in a minute.
Time to raise my ATM.
Grab the most retarded scrim. I'm not even kidding. If you check, I'm gonna leave the VOD up for like 1 day. It involves me falling asleep mid-stream. It involves the scrims always just pausing. And it involves this very, very interesting lineup right now. As Jikama right now does get taken down by his teammate Xenos. Some Civil War action going on. Dodge is ready with the Transcendence here. The Zenyatta right now will be able to transcend his way to victory and uses it to actually get the hell out of Dodge. Dodge getting out of the engagement. Sale, Marcus. Just got home from VK. I've seen you online. Alert muna. Go ahead, dude. I think I'm a bit. Oh my god! We have the Dodge this here. Gets nano boosted. Add me in Facebook, Bill Mayor. Yun yung gusto kong upgrade. I just wanna see what you guys did to me. Sorry. Guys, why do you guys do this to me? Hey, I join? Go ahead, Marcus. Just join. I don't really care anymore. After this, I'm done with the scrims. You guys can play all by yourselves. I really can't handle having a scrim right now. I'll probably move the scrim tomorrow to 9 p.m. because this is way too tiring for me.
Now show them.
Yeah, I'm gonna move the scrim tomorrow. This 7 is way too tiring for me right now. I'll use the old scrim time right around 9.
So I'll actually edit my post real quick now. In the meantime.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers
And let's
incoming.
go on to Cena's right now
Defend
on the
objective
Tracer vault
Hello
things.
there.
And Kanina, the scrim was a little too early, I guess?
Hello there.
I'm not really sure.
Enemy contact.
Yeah.
Hiya.
So FYI bukas scrim. So bukas scrim 9 PM start. Mas marami players. Anong oras? And just keeping an eye out on Cena's right now going against Calamitas. Ooh, that recall right there though evades the Doomfist. So this 1v1 between Cena's and Calamitas. Ooh, the charge is coming in. Calamitas decides to actually back off this time against the Doomfist. Not traveling right now. Going for the Zarya, dodge this. Ghost takes down the Zenyatta. And oh, check out my page. Oh, my stream bots are active. Hello, stream bot. I missed you so.
Objective A captured.
Routing power to
Escort
forward
the
shield.
payload.
I'll figure out how to set up the what do you call this? The scrim tomorrow.
Moving the payload. Falling behind.
This is my will.
I'm gonna have to shoot you down.
So we do see Isha right now going against Chikama, and I really can't take this. I really can't take this scrim seriously anymore. So look, there's a flying pharmacy right now. We're just fucking around trying to go around the siege tank, trying to get some shots right there. Then we do see the Widowmaker right now. Oh, Fascinate, aka Rain, trying to get a kill on to Matt Javelin. So will Hannah actually press Q? Tune in next time on Dragon Ball Z. We're started playing Overwatch. Yeah, this is I think 9 PM is a better time to actually start the scrims rather than 7. Chris Aquino though with the coalescence right there. And Jordan starting to spectate as well. Post bomb connects from Cenos on to Calamitas right there. And oh, we see another engagement coming in from blue team right now. Red team actually was able to complete the full cap dodge with the Jonak mood again. Nano boosted and Transcendence at the same time. Very, very interesting play from Crits and dodge this. The teabag there from Cenos. Very amazing play so far from blue team. Now Transcendence is the most broken thing in the game. Damage resistance is 50% plus invulnerability. So that's very intense right there. Haha, sabog na ako. Sobra! Sobrang sabog na ako. Matulog na ako this days. Nagtitibagan. Yeah, I know, right?
Down for the count.
New post. 9 PM scrim tomorrow. No, it's okay. I'll just announce it on Facebook. Oh, Cena's going in for the... Oh, that stick was so good! Cena's with the stick. Oh, the sleep dart was so good. Here we go. Will we see another kill? Ooh. Real grenade. Oh, the recall though. Now Crits is in a world of pain. Cena's now having to fight against the Tracer. And now Crits gets taken down by the Tracer of Miracle Lame Sports. Is it Tracer? No, he's not. It's Chikama. Ugh. Nyx gets taken down in the side of
Hello there.
the crypt. Eats the tree bug. Sobrang nadala na ako sa stream na to, honestly. and Calamitous actually gets hooked right there. There's Kama right now. We're on the Genji. Going for a kill, not because Sakina just points at him and he goes down. That's so much skill right there. Sinus right now trying to fight against Dix, and Dix falls to some help with Matt Javelin handling now with the Pharah, and the Rocket Barrage actually connects onto a bit of them. Calamitous is on the Doomfist right now, and we'll see if he can actually get the kill. Rain still trying to do some Widowmaker things. Shikama right now actually falls, and looks like blue team actually wins. This pod is dead. This pod will disappear.